Hello and welcome to the Linux file system hierarchy. First of all, it's important to understand the Linux hierarchy very well so that you can deal with the command line and the whole Linux operating system in a better way. So this is a small explanation about the Linux file system. Here we have the file system hierarchy. This is the common file system hierarchy for all distributions. It is divided into 13 main directories. These are the 13 main directories. And those 13 main directories are under the mother directory, which is the root directory, the slash. And the root directory is where every single file and directory starts from. It is like the basement of a house or the root of a tree. And from this tree are the branches, which in here will be the directories and files and any other thing in the Linux operating system. For example, here the bin directory contains binary files and common Linux commands used by all users, such as the cp command, the mv command, the makedir, the mkdir command. And of course we will learn those commands during the course. For example, you have another directory here, which is the dev, and the dev directory here includes devices files attached to the system such as hard disks. And here are two hard disks as we have here, SDA and SDB. And you can see that the hard disk SDA has two partitions, SDA1 and SDA2. And of course we will learn about this in the file system category. For example, here is the home directory. It contains the home directories for all users to store their personal files. Here I have two home directories for two users, Torque and the user Torque and the user Mustafa. And of course, if you scroll down here, you will find explanations about each directory, the directory and its definition. But of course, this is a simple definition. It's not the whole definition. It's simple, but it's very good for beginners to understand what are the main directories of the file systems of the Linux. And of course, this is the PDF file. You will find it in the PDF notes if you like to review it in any other time. And here in the bottom, if you would like to know further information about the Linux file system, you may check out this link over here. It will be very helpful in understanding the file systems of the Linux. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.